Kagargars, this is your Kagargar Gary Cruz and we on the second round of our concert. It's the repeat concert of Miss Imelda Papig here at Newport World Resort. Ngayon po itutuloy ko po kayo dito po sa stage. Galing po ako ng backstage, so dito po tayo. Papakita ko po sa inyo ng stage. Tara!
Wala ba?
At nagaganap po ang rehearsal ng choral na mag-backup kay Ate Mel. So tayo na. Yan, nandito kayo sa stage. At nilibot ko po kayo.
Everybody, can you see how many people are participating in this concert? Okay, so
ay mga kagargars, as you can see, nakadamit na kami or naka-costume na kami, nakabihis para sa aming performance mamaya. Ayan si Eileen. Eileen, say hi ka.
Hello.
Diba ang ganda? Ayan.
Kamusta po kayo?
Yan, mamaya mag-perform na kami anytime. So, bigyan ko kayo ng update later. Bye for now.
Everyone! Ang hina naman! Louder! Hi everyone! How are you doing? Wow! Coach, dito tayo sa baba at mag-interview tayo ng ilang tao na nandito. Ayan. Asa yung mga kaibigan ko dyan? Hello po! Hi! Hello! Ayan. Sige. Ma'am, how are you doing? Gusto po kayo? Hello po, hi! Nag-enjoy po ba kayo so far?
Enjoying much.
Wow! Okay! Sir, saan po kaya? Saan po kaya? Dito naman! Sir! Sir, kamusta po kayo? O, dito. Okay. O, dito kayo. Gusto ko kita dito. Hello, hello. Kamusta naman? Parinig ang malakas na sigaw mo. 1, 2, 3. Hello po. Ganun pala sa sigaw si Ma'am. Hello po. Hello po. Ayan, wow! For the second time, boss, ang daming tao dito sa Newport World Resort. Palakpakan naman tayo dyan! Isa pa, malakas na sigawan! Yeah! There you go. And with that, kakantahan naman namin kayo, ni boys. Do you know that? Alright. Okay. So, if you know this song, sabihin nyo. Yes, you can jam with us. Okay. Let's sing. Two old friends meet again, wearing older faces, and talk about places they have been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday in heaven for
Walang-wala sa loob ko, naiwanan buong akala ko'y hanggang wakas. Bakit biglang nagbago? Kayo lamang pala, naniwala naman ako. Kung iligay ako sa piling
beautiful fans and beautiful audience tonight. I'm sure you had a good time. I'm sure you enjoyed what you just saw. And Miss Imelda Poppy would like to have an opportunity with you two. Let us all proceed to the lobby so we can have that opportunity taken. That's our official meet and greet.